Ever pondered how the choices you make shape your destiny? From the mundane to the monumental, each decision we make is a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives. And the palette we choose from? That's the wisdom we cultivate. Wisdom in decision-making isn't about always getting it right. It's about understanding who you are, what you value, and what you aspire to be. It's about patience and reflection, striking a balance and having the courage to act. It's about accepting the uncertainty that comes with any choice and remaining resilient in the face of adversity. With wisdom, we can make decisions that not only align with our authentic selves but also foster our overall well-being and happiness. So how do we cultivate this wisdom? What principles can guide us on this path? Let's delve into the principles that guide us toward making wise decisions. The journey of wise decision-making starts with self-knowledge. Picture this: an explorer setting out on a journey without a compass. They're likely to wander aimlessly, right? The same goes for us when we try to make decisions without understanding who we are. Our values, passions, strengths, and limitations, they're our personal compass. They guide us in directions that are meaningful and fulfilling to us. Imagine your values as the magnetic north of your compass. They are your guiding principles, your unwavering truths. They help you distinguish between right and wrong, important and trivial. Then there are your passions, the things that set your soul on fire. These are the pursuits that bring you joy, satisfaction, and a sense of purpose. Your strengths, they're your tools, your assets. They empower you to overcome obstacles and reach your goals. And your limitations? They don't confine you, rather, they reveal areas for growth. Knowing yourself is the first step toward making wise decisions. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a key to wise decision-making. In the hustle and bustle of life, we often feel pressured to make quick decisions. But wise choices often require time. Time for calm reflection, for considering all the options before us. Picture yourself standing at a crossroads. Each path represents a different decision. Now imagine you could take a moment, a breath, to look further down each road. To consider where each might lead, what opportunities or challenges could lie ahead. This is the power of reflection. Patience complements reflection. It gives us the space to evaluate potential consequences, to weigh the pros and cons without haste. It allows us to visualize the bigger picture, to understand how today's decisions can shape our tomorrows. Remember, the most fruitful trees didn't grow overnight. They were nurtured, given time to grow strong and sturdy. The same principle applies to our decisions. With patience and reflection, you make decisions that stand the test of time. Wisdom doesn't exist in isolation. It thrives on consultation and continuous learning. When we're standing at life's crossroads, seeking advice from mentors, trusted friends, or experts can illuminate paths we may not have seen. They bring to the table their invaluable experiences and diverse perspectives, enriching our pool of knowledge. Yet consultation is not about blindly following others' advice. It's about taking in their wisdom, weighing it against our values and circumstances, and making an informed decision that resonates with us. Remember, life is a never-ending learning journey. Every new insight, every piece of knowledge we acquire, sharpens our decision-making abilities. It broadens our horizons and equips us to make informed decisions. Be it through books, courses, or life experiences, we must embrace continuous learning. By consulting others and embracing learning, you add layers of wisdom to your decisions. After all, the most profound decisions often come from a place of deep understanding and diverse perspectives. In a world full of opportunities and demands, balance is key. Picture life as a tightrope walker, delicately balancing each step to avoid tipping over. Just as the tightrope walker, we must understand our personal priorities to maintain our balance. The key aspects of life, work, family, health, and passion, each demand our attention and energy. Yet, none should overshadow the others. Work provides us with a sense of purpose and the means to support ourselves. Family offers emotional support and a sense of belonging. Health is the foundation of our physical and mental well-being. And passion, the fire that fuels our spirit, keeps us motivated and fulfilled. Striking a balance among these aspects isn't about perfection, but about harmony. It's about making wise decisions that reflect our priorities without stretching ourselves too thin. It's about understanding that imbalance is sometimes inevitable, but temporary. Balancing priorities, you create harmony in your decisions and your life. Life is unpredictable, and so are the outcomes of our decisions. The world is a sea of variables, and our choices are the small boats we navigate in this vast ocean. No matter how carefully we plot our course, we can't foresee every wave, every storm, or every gust of wind that might steer us off course. This is the essence of uncertainty. But uncertainty isn't a foe to be defeated. It's a reality to be embraced. When we accept that there's a degree of unpredictability in everything we do, we free ourselves from the paralyzing fear of making the wrong choice. Instead, we empower ourselves to make the best decision we can with the information we have at hand. Yet, accepting uncertainty is just half of the equation. The other half is resilience, the capacity to bounce back from adversity, to adjust our sails when the wind doesn't blow in our favor. Resilience is not about avoiding hardships or evading failures. It's about learning from them, growing stronger with each setback, and moving forward with renewed determination. Resilience is the backbone of wise decision-making. It's what enables us to take calculated risks, to step into the unknown without the guarantee of success, but with the assurance that we can handle whatever comes our way. It's what allows us to learn, adapt, and grow as we navigate the winding path of life. Think of it this way: acceptance of uncertainty is the compass that helps us chart our course in the sea of life, while resilience is the sturdy ship that carries us through the storms. Together, they equip us to make wise decisions amidst life's unpredictability. So let's embrace the unpredictability of life. Let's cultivate resilience to weather the storms. Let's accept that we can't control everything, but we can control how we respond to the uncertainties and challenges that come our way. Embracing uncertainty and building resilience, you equip yourself to make wise decisions amidst life's unpredictability. Wise decisions are those that consider the long-term impact. In other words, when we make choices, it's crucial to understand how they will affect not only our lives, but also the lives of those we hold dear and our surrounding environment. It's about considering the ripple effect, the chain of consequences that can stretch far into the future. You see, making a decision based on immediate gratification often overlooks the long-term ramifications. On the other hand, a decision made with foresight and consideration for the bigger picture can lead to enduring, positive outcomes. It's about thinking holistically, understanding the interconnectedness of our actions, and considering the sustainability of our choices. And remember, whether it's a personal goal, a career move, or a lifestyle change, every decision we make leaves a footprint. Therefore, let's strive to ensure that our footprints lead to a path of long-lasting and meaningful benefits. By considering long-term impacts, your decisions carry lasting and meaningful benefits. Making the right choices requires courage and adaptability. It's not always easy to stand by your convictions, to follow that inner voice that guides you towards your truth. Yet it's this very courage that allows us to make decisions aligned with our deepest values and desires. The courage to say yes to the opportunities that excite us, and equally, the courage to say no when something doesn't feel right. But life is a dance, and with every beat, circumstances can change. That's where flexibility steps in. It's about being able to adapt, to pivot when necessary, and to embrace the unexpected twists and turns that life throws our way. It's about understanding that while we can't control every aspect of our journey, we can control how we respond. Flexibility is not about compromising on our values, but rather about being open to new paths that can lead us towards our goals. With courage and flexibility, your decisions become a true reflection of your wisdom. Navigating life's choices requires wisdom, awareness, and a commitment to personal growth. It's about knowing yourself deeply, understanding your values, passions, strengths, and limitations. Remember, patience and reflection are your allies, offering you the space and time you need to evaluate your options and their consequences. Don't forget that wisdom isn't a solitary journey. Seeking advice from mentors, trusted friends, or experts can provide valuable perspectives and crucial information. Lifelong learning broadens your knowledge, equipping you for more informed decisions. In a world overflowing with opportunities and demands, discerning your priorities and achieving balance is key. Embrace the unpredictable nature of life, accept uncertainty, and build resilience to face challenges with determination and optimism. Consider the long-term impact of your choices, not just on your life, but also on those around you and the environment. Be brave, listen to your inner voice, and stay flexible to adapt to life's changing circumstances. Using these principles as your compass, you can hope to make choices that guide you toward a life of meaning, fulfillment, and enduring happiness.